Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Breaking news at this moment is that the dreaded gangster, the notorious gangster who was absconding from the UP police for almost a week and yesterday he was arrested in MP, has now been killed in an encounter. That's right, the MP police handed over Vikas Dubey to UP STF, and while they were on their way to take him to Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, apparently the car in which he was traveling in overturned and he snatched the gun from a fellow policeman and he ran away. He ran out of the car. While the police tried to persuade him to surrender, he refused and instead he fired shots at the police. In retaliation, police also fired at Vikas Dubey, and in that process he was injured. When he was taken to a nearby hospital, he succumbed to his injuries, and that is how Vikas Dubey has been killed in an encounter. Now let me tell you, this is a very dramatic development. Yesterday he was arrested in MP in Ujjain. He was roaming in the premises of Ujjain's Mahakal temple for almost 2 hours. He entered MP and in Ujjain he tried to surrender. It almost looked like it was a surrender rather than an arrest, because according to the police version, the local security guard got suspicious of Vikas Dubey and his activities, and he alerted his superiors, who in turn alerted the police department about Vikas Dubey's presence at Ujjain Mahakal temple. But according to some reports, the local sources said that Vikas Dubey apparently came to the temple premises. He started shouting that he is Vikas Dubey of Kanpur, and he apparently told the local police guard to contact the police department and tell them that he is trying to surrender. Now let me tell you the entire sequence of events. It was last week that 8 policemen from UP police were killed in a cold-blooded shootout by Vikas Dubey's men in Kanpur Dehat, where they had gone to raid his house, where they apparently had the information that Vikas Dubey was hiding. After that, there was a shootout. 8 policemen were killed and 7 others were injured. 1 civilian was also injured in the process, and since then Vikas Dubey has been on run. He has been hiding from Uttar Pradesh police. The UP administration had formed almost 25 teams, and UP STF was also formed. After that, Vikas Dubey, almost 6 days after he escaped the police in Kanpur, he was spotted in Faridabad in Haryana, and then he was spotted in Ujjain Mahakal temple yesterday, where he apparently surrendered himself. In Faridabad, he apparently tried to book a hotel room, where in CCTV of the hotel he was captured, but he could not find a hotel room there because he did not have any IDs, he did not have any vehicle to travel to. So there was another CCTV footage which showed that he was sitting in a rickshaw and traveling away. Now this is how he evaded the police for almost 6 days, but finally he was captured yesterday. Now whether it was an arrest or whether it was a surrender, that is the question that investigation will answer, and that is the question that we have to ask as well. Now several opposition party leaders are training guns at the UP administration and the UP government for the way this entire case has been handled. Yesterday as well, 2 of the aides of Vikas Dubey were killed in the morning in an encounter, in a similar encounter when they tried to flee the police. Before that, his closest aide, his right hand, Amar Dubey, his nephew, was also killed in an encounter when he was trying to escape to Madhya Pradesh. So total 3 aides of Vikas Dubey were killed in an encounter already, and today morning Vikas Dubey has also been killed. Reacting to the development, former UP Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav reacted. He tweeted, he said that it is not that the car overturned, but the overturning of the car has saved the UP government from overturning. He indicated that there might be some links between the dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey and some leaders of the UP government. On the other hand, Jayant Chaudhary of RLD has also tweeted about this. He has trained his guns at the judiciary. He said that the judges should resign in mass because this is a slap on the judiciary's face. Now what happens in the cases next, that we will get back to you, and we will tell you what all the updates that are happening in this particular case. But definitely this case has taken over the nation's mind.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.